Is there anything more craveable than fried pickles? All the salty, sweet deliciousness of pickles wrapped up in crispy, deep fried, crunchy goodness. I think it's the absolute best way to enjoy homemade dill pickles, which is exactly how I enjoyed mine. You asked for the recipe, so here you go. They are super easy to make. All you have to do is whisk together buttermilk and your favorite hot sauce. You can also add an egg depending on the style of batter you prefer. Basically, if you're an original recipe type, leave the egg out. If you like extra crispy, add an egg. Set that aside as you combine your dry ingredients. Mix equal parts all-purpose flour and cornmeal with smoked paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, and salt. That's it. Time for frying. Heat oil over medium heat until it's between 350 to 375. And while the oil is heating, drop a handful of pickle slices that you've drained and patted dry into the buttermilk. Then toss them into the flour mixture until they are well coated. Shake off the excess, then drop them in the hot oil. They will fry up very quickly, so keep an eye on them. They are ready when they're golden brown, so take them out as soon as the color is right and set them aside on a towel or a cooling rack. Then start another batch. It's hard to say how many pickles this recipe will make since it depends on whether or not you use slices or spears and how big they are. So just make as many as you like or until you run out of batter ingredients. They are best enjoyed immediately, and I dipped mine in good old-fashioned buttermilk ranch. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to share, and if you haven't seen it already, I'll be sure to put a link to the pickle recipe I recently shared so you can make it with fresh, homemade pickles. Don't forget to follow and share with anyone you think might enjoy this tasty snack, and be sure to let me know how it goes when you make them.